Hello everyone, it's me Iñigo, and today we're going to talk about volcanoes. They're really huge, like a mountain. Then there's lava on it. There's magma coming out. Then the magma is going to in a maze like this. When you find a dead end, then you go back to here, then like that. And then once that volcano works, and it's hard like a rock, and it's really huge. Then a house, a big house, really strong, and like me, I'm strong, and we're going to talk about volcanoes today. So a volcano is it looks like this. So it looks like that. I'm going to talk about the volcano today. There's a volcano in Africa that can blow out all lava. I can really draw one. It's gray and red and orange. 3 colors there. Gray, red, and orange. Gray, red, and orange. There in the volcano. So goodbye.